Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Honda code 9 generation 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, here is the box. Let me open the box. This comes with a big box. Big box you can check. This head unit with good condition. Okay. It comes with canvas box and special harness. Let me Okay, you can check. This is the head unit. Let me introduce harnesses first. Okay, you can check this special harness will come with head unit. This connector connects our back of head unit. Okay. There are two canvas box, decoder box. You can check this one for Honda code, and this TFT driver box. Okay, let me show it. It comes with camera input. This camera input RCA type. Okay, and it comes with radio antenna. This is the radio antenna from head unit. Okay, and this connector. This is my power cable and the speaker. You can check code power cable. Okay, and this connector. This camera input and AUX, this camera, and this AUX. This AUX input. Okay, this is special harness, and it will come with GPS antenna. This is original USB, and the external microphone. This camera input. This connects our back of head unit. This for backup camera. And this audio cable. This is video input. And AUX input left and right. Okay. And this audio cable is for external subwoofer. this video out 1 and video out 2, and this AUX out, rear and front, left and right. Okay, let me show head unit. You can check. Okay, you can check this special for head units. And side. You can check the back. This connector for audio cable, camera and other cable. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna, this USB cable and external microphone. There are 2 USB cable and external microphone. And this power cable and fuse is GPS antenna. Okay. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. You can check head unit start. This is Pi navigation system. Okay. It started. Okay, you can check UI interface. Please, their SD card slot. You can check their SD card slot. And this reset hole, this built-in microphone. This reset hole. Please take out this screw protector before using head unit. Okay, let me check the taskbar. This taskbar you can check this amplifier, speed, brightness, volume, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. This volume you can adjust. And let me adjust the brightness. You can check. It's dark. It's bright. Okay, these buttons. And let me check this time. You can set the data and the time in here. It's radio. Long click to search the radio station. Very fast response. It's built in this for Z-Link from Android Auto and Carplay. You can built in. If you want Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can buy it with the head unit. Then we will build in it. Okay, this is for Carplay and Android Auto. And it's built in Google Maps and Play Store. It's easy connection for Mirrorlink. Okay, and you can install application from here. Also can install it from by USB. Let me check settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. But machine, you can check this MCU wiring and CPU Octa-core PX5 RAM 4GB. You can check RAM 4GB. Android is 9 Pi system. Okay, let me check. Okay. Let me back. Let me check the storage. You can check total storage 64 GB. 64 GB. Okay, let me check car settings. This personal settings. You can autoplay music from SD card or USB. This power off delay standby SSD memory. You can choose 1 hour. Okay, other settings you can check. Night model you can set, and navigation settings you can choose the map. Navigation sound you can choose it. GPS monitor you can test the GPS when you connect the GPS antenna. Okay. Drum settings. This is reserve sync camera for volume. This volume you can turn on the volume. Watch video you can turn on. Those for backup camera. Rear view ruler. Reserving tracking display. Reversing X mirroring. This for steering wheel control. It supports the decoder steering wheel original buttons on canvas box. By canvas box. Okay, factory setting and the storage. You can restore your system. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you. And Bluetooth you can check. Okay, that's all. Thank you.